What's the meaning of Catherine Cookson? Catherine Cookson. Catherine Cookson.
Catherine Cookson. Catherine Cookson. Catherine Cookson was a British author who wrote over 100 books, mostly set in her native northeast England. Her novels were known for their vivid depictions of the hard lives of working-class people and their struggles with poverty, abuse, and social injustice. Despite never having received formal education due to her own impoverished upbringing, Cookson went on to become one of the most successful and beloved authors of her time, selling millions of copies of her books worldwide. She died in 1998 at the age of 91.